Today at the shop, I'm working on this 06 Colorado. I'm trying to get everything prepped up so I can start laying all my bracing in so we can start doing my bed floor. The issue I'm having right now is I'm getting all this metal out of the way, and I find that all the spot welds on the bed are popped on both sides. So now before I can do any bracing and stuff, I have to get all that welded back in place. All right guys, I'm gonna get back to measuring this bed out, get some braces cut, continue to watch and see the progress that's going forward with it. So yeah, you're just gonna drill the spot welds. You can see them all and hear the hoop. One there, one there. Luckily it's not a whole lot either. Right now what I'm doing is I'm getting my cardboard cut to make my wheel tub templates. My outer shells or my upper shells, whatever you want to call them damn things. I got the faceplates made. Yep, faceplates are made. So now I'm just getting this all measured up so I can get this cut in half. But we'll go over to the truck to show you what's going on. So right now we're getting our bed sides fitted into the truck. Got my boy Davey over here getting them all fitted. But yesterday we ran into a slight issue with this truck. We had to cut all our bracing out and move it out because we completely forgot about our roll cage that comes through and that has to get mounted to the top of the frame rails. So we had to move everything in about 2.5 inches, or out, should I say. But right now, he's getting these fitted. I'm getting my cardboard made. I got the face of my wheel tubs made. So we got to get them in here. I'm gonna get them tacked in place. The cardboard I'm cutting, that's gonna be the top of my wheel well. So once I get that cut out and fitted like I want, then we'll go ahead and get that part of it bead rolled. We'll go ahead and come in and we'll cut this out, and then we'll get all this marked up so we can bead roll our sides. Throw a 4-foot piece up here,
right,
and cut right through it.
So you already have that cut. This is your line that goes goes to the wheel tub. So basically after you put this down, stretch it back into like where it needs to be, shaped like a wheel well.
Hopefully,
And then hopefully it'll clamp into place.
lines up, clamps into place, and looks decent. Now go turn a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know how somebody does such a big panel by themselves. This.
So this is where we have to put it into the bed for part 1. I want you to show you guys progress that David and Joey has been killing on this. They got it all stripped down. All the frame support is all situated. Side panels are in and bead rolled. And then also we got one tub pretty much all in and bead rolled and tacked in place. Turned out pretty sweet. I'm hoping you guys enjoy it. You guys make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for part 2.